Deaf boys.
Loud noises!
Yeah, no, hey, look, man. I totally understand. Yes. Yeah, but look, man, look, you can't hold that against him. That's just how things go sometimes, right? Look, I'm pulling up right now, dude. I'll let him know. Yo, bros, I got some news.
What's it this time?
What do you mean, what's it this time, bro? Those chicks after the show last night? Well, turns out they were the CEO to our record label's wife and sister. Well, guess who doesn't have a record label anymore? We're asked out, bros, and we gotta come up with 30K quick. Otherwise, this album, this tour, none of it's happening.
Shit. Well, what's done is done, so what the fuck we gonna do now?
Well, dude, if anybody's got any ideas, dude. What about that one bro that you were talking about?
That motherfucker shady, bro. I mean, you know, if we work with him, then we're gonna have to do some dirty shit.
Hey, we're at a point right now that if we don't have rent in 3 days, all of this goes away.
Yeah, fuck it, bro. I say give him a call.
The secretary speaking. Samantha, how may I direct your call this today?
Hey, Samantha, can I speak to Boris, please?
I think Mr. Jerkins might be in a meeting right now. May I ask who's calling?
This is Drake.
Just one moment. Let me see if he's available. Hello?
Boris. Boris.
Who is this?
This is Dre, man. From Loud Noises, man.
Really? Are you kidding me, bro? You finally called me, man. I have not seen you since the door time.
Hey, check it out, man. We kinda in the bind, man. I need some help.
Man, anything for OKTAPUS, bros, man. I love you guys. You guys are great, man. What do you need from me, bro? I got your backs.
I need about 30 grand, bro.
Okay, hold your horses all at the same time, bro. You're going to have to do a little bit something for the old Boris guy, man. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, well, lay it on me.
Bro, I get you this the greatest deal you ever heard, my bro. This is how it goes, okay? You gotta do some washings of the money for me. You know how to do this? The long grains to the cash? You can do this?
You know what, man? I need that. Yeah.
Bro, it's easy, man. You just give me my claims money. I give you 30% for every 100K you can get claimed.
All right, man. We got you, man. I'll come meet you right now.
Alright, bro. I'll have the double pay ready. OKTAPUS, bros. I cannot believe you give me call finally. I'll see you in 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Bro, that sounds pretty legit.
You got no other choice, bro.
Sweet, man. Let's get on this, dude. Hey, you got a place we could wash some cash? It's laundering money, man. How hard could it be?
As a financial signal is engaged for Athens, explain it. Soon to be X. Slash your tires. Simple.
Riff City, loud noises.
Riff City, loud noises.
But what we want, and truly what we need, two things tied together in common with greed. Like a fine line of fine dimes, fake rocks and short socks, light loads of androids, filtered shots of lip gloss, high fives, Venmo, Facebook and Taco, saying this and memeing that, a Tesla with white walls, market puppet masses filling up saturated timelines. As time flies with minds, the lines glide at high tide. Gotta keep them coming back, cause you
I had to tell my dog. You yelling camo, it's the ammo. I retorted whole time. Do not take the shot, you see the white apple die. And that guy gets passed by. And if you miss the list, I do insist you try to make the standby.
Well, if I told you the truth, it said exactly what I believe. Your naive ass couldn't conceive the point I'm trying to achieve. So please, just let me breathe. I got nothing up my sleeves, and my tendency for empathy is all but dwindling. I know it's tempting to feel less empty, but your envy is unrelenting. Spending all your time venting lets me know this friendship is pending. Yeah, we crush these lanes like a ball off a tee. We still got more game when we fall off to sleep. I'm the sum of all fears, don't let my pride interfere. Third gear, fourth gear, when the lights in the rear, I'm gassing all these squares till I'm clear. If compared, then it's clear that you're merely a circle, I'm a sphere. In a Lear jet, they're said to get head in the cockpit. I'm a cocksmith, she wearing nothing but a locket. Can I stop this atomic anomaly powered harmonically? Got mystery, Ivy League master degrees in psychology.
You yelling camo, it's the ammo. I retorted whole time. Do not take the shot, they see the white apple die. And that guy gets passed by. And if you miss the list, I do insist you try to make the standby. You yelling camo, it's the ammo. I retorted whole time. Do not take the shot, you see the white apple die. And that guy gets passed by. And if you miss the list, I do insist you try to make the standby.
Mama, there go that man again, the one who bartend at the store that you and daddy frequent in. The one with the big red door, the one you love to peek up in. That place over there that play that loud noise over and over. Bouncing off them walls, some Paso Robos down the Grover. Might get a drunk in public even though I seem sober. Don't pay me no mind, see I'm just trying to reach my quota. Yeah, we all on bars, but what I serve is much colder. Action may squeeze how she enjoy this brain free. Her on her knees be exactly what my brain needs. She got that knowledge like she done studied her college. She be all on my testes, that's how she love to test me. She a Hall of Famer, handle the ball like Lisa Leslie. Create my own waves, Kenny Powers on the jet ski. We on deck, so that means we got next G. Beware with the penmanship as we rap this bar shit like Nestle.
You yelling camo, it's the ammo. I retorted whole time. Do not take the shot, you see the white apple die. And that guy gets passed by. And if you miss the list, I do insist you try to make the standby. You yelling camo, it's the ammo. I retorted whole time. Do not take the shot, you see the white apple die. And that guy gets passed by. And if you miss the list, I do insist you try to make the standby.
RIFF City Recordings presents